Employees demand 15 lakh rupees family medical insurance cover. Bank employees have urged the Indian Banks Association (IBA) to enhance the family medical insurance cover from the existing level to 15 lakh rupees during the 13th bipartite settlement. Employee representatives said the current cover is inadequate considering rising healthcare costs. BMS announces nationwide protest. Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh (BMS) has announced a nationwide protest on 17 August, raising several labor-related demands, including the implementation of a 5-day banking week and improvements in employee welfare. Bank of Maharashtra branch manager assaulted in Jalna. A branch manager at Bank of Maharashtra's Ashti branch in Maharashtra's Jalna district is allegedly abused, threatened and assaulted while on duty, prompting the United Forum of Bank Unions (UFBU) Pune to seek enhanced security for bank employees engaged in implementing the Punya Shlok Ahilyadevi Holkar Shetkari Karjamukti Yojana 2026. SBI Kolkata transfer row. Employees in SBI's Kolkata circle have raised concerns over alleged disparities in transfer and posting decisions, demanding greater transparency and a fair transfer policy. Questions are being raised over the implementation of transfer postings for Scale I, 2 and 3 officers. HSBC retirees continue pension battle. Documents reviewed by Canal trace a pension dispute involving former the British Bank of the Middle East, BBME, employee Rajneesh Surve from his 1991 appointment to his claim that pension payments were stopped in June 2023. The records include pension revision representations, correspondence with HSBC and the Employees Provident Fund Organization, EP4, acknowledgement from the office of the then HSBC Group Chairman, and documents relating to the Proof of Existence certificate. Punjab and Sindh Bank targets 4 lakh rupees crore business. Punjab and Sindh Bank has set a target of achieving 4 lakh rupees crore in total business by FY29, with a major focus on technology transformation, digital banking and business expansion. Bank of Baroda responds to alleged data leak. Reports claimed that nearly 1 terabyte of Bank of Baroda customer data had been exposed online. The bank later issued an official statement, saying it is investigating the matter and that customer deposits remain safe while appropriate security measures are in place. Government approves polymer banknote field trials. The government has approved the RBI's proposal to conduct field trials of 10 rupees and 20 rupee polymer banknotes while clarifying that there is no plan to replace existing paper currency. IDBI employees announce nationwide hunger strike. The United Forum of IDBI officers and employees has announced a nationwide one-day hunger strike opposing the proposed privatization of IDBI Bank, urging the government to halt the stake sale process. PNBOI announces protest in Jhansi. The Punjab National Bank Officers Association, PNBOA, Uttar Pradesh, has issued a notice for a peaceful demonstration at the PNB Circle Office, Jhansi. The demonstration is scheduled for 3rd August 2026. According to the association, the protest follows the unresolved grievances raised in connection with senior manager Ms. Divya Jaiswal and its earlier representation seeking intervention. ICICI Bank termination issue raised again. The Resilient Bankers Network, TRBN, representing more than 500 victimized former ICICI Bank employees, has submitted a second representation to Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Describing it as a reminder to its earlier representation, the organization said it has not received any response and has once again sought the ministry's intervention into its allegations of illegal terminations, unfair labor practices and governance concerns at ICICI Bank. Assam Gramin Vikash Bank staff provide relief materials to flood victims. The Assam Gramin Vikash Bank Officers Association and the Assam Gramin Vikash Bank Employees Association jointly organized a 2-day flood relief program in Shivsagar district. The initiative benefited around 570 flood-affected families through the distribution of essential relief materials across several affected villages. Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank employees seek implementation of pending PLI payments for FY 2024-25 and FY 2025-26. Employees of Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank have sought the release of pending performance-linked incentive (PLI) payments for FY 2024-25 and FY 2025-26. Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank staff claim 2,137 staff shortage, seek immediate recruitment. The Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank Employees Association and the Chhattisgarh Rajya Gramin Bank Officers Organization have urged the bank management to implement the SK Mitra Committee recommendations, claiming a staff shortage of 2,137 employees and seeking immediate recruitment and promotions. Gujarat Gramin Bank Officers and Employees Associations urge management to resolve transfer, HR and staff welfare issues. Gujarat Gramin Bank Officers and Employees Associations have jointly raised several pending issues with the management, including transfers, HR administration, staff welfare, manpower and employee benefits. The associations have sought time-bound resolution of these key employee concerns while appreciating progress on some issues. Rajasthan Gramin Bank outsource and daily wage employees submit charter of demands to BMS leadership. Outsourced and daily wage employees of Rajasthan Gramin Bank have submitted a charter of demands to Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh leadership seeking better service conditions and employee welfare. NABARD survey signals rural slowdown, income gains hit record low, savings weaken, consumption softens. The latest survey of National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, shows rural incomes, savings and consumption losing momentum amid weakening household optimism.